Hi guys, it's Belinda. Today I wanted to do an honest review on this Ninja juicer. So this one is quick and easy and fun to work with. So these are the pieces that come with it. At the end you just take these apart and clean it. So you just lock it into place. Put the strainer part in there. And all the pulp ends up going around the outer edge, so it takes up less space and it's easy to work with. And you just put your top on, click it into place. And the handle over here is what turns it on and off, so that's pretty cool. Plug it in. And this here is another cool piece of it. The juice goes straight into here. You can close it and store it in your fridge. It's also got measurements on it. And it locks right underneath. And turn it on. Today we're making apple, celery, carrot juice. So that was all done on low. Here is our finished carrot, celery, apple juice. That's juice in seconds. Tastes good, easy to work. You can pour it in or store it in the fridge. I hope this review helped you. I thank you for watching and have a lovely day.